In this video, I'll show you exactly how to accept credit card payments in Housecall Pro step by step with a quick rundown of everything you need to get started. Whether you're a service business owner or a contractor looking for a simple way to manage payments, Housecall Pro makes it easy to collect credit card payments on the go, and I'll walk you through how to do it. First, let's get started by setting up Housecall Pro with a payment processor. Housecall Pro integrates with a trusted payment gateway called Stripe, which allows you to securely accept payments. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, no worries, you can sign up directly through Housecall Pro. Once you have your account set up, just head to the Settings tab in your Housecall Pro account, find the Payments section, and click on Set Up Payments. From there, you'll be prompted to link your Stripe account, and Housecall Pro will guide you through the process to get everything connected. Once you're set up, you can start accepting payments immediately. When you create an invoice for a client in Housecall Pro, you'll see an option to add a Pay Now button. This button allows your customer to pay directly with their credit card. They can choose to pay via credit or debit card, and all the transactions are securely processed through Stripe. You'll receive instant notifications when a payment is processed, and you can track all your transactions directly within Housecall Pro. Another cool feature of Housecall Pro is its mobile app. Whether you're on-site at a job or on the move, you can accept credit card payments directly from your phone. When you're ready to collect payment, just pull up the invoice, tap the Pay Now button, and your customer can pay instantly. It's that simple. Now, you might be wondering about fees. Housecall Pro offers transparent pricing for credit card payments, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Typically, there's a small processing fee for each transaction. But with Housecall Pro, you only pay a flat rate for each payment, which is great for small businesses. You also get the benefit of fast deposit times, so you're not waiting around for your money. But here's the best part. Housecall Pro gives you a full 30-day free trial, so you can explore all these features and more without any commitment. That means you can start accepting credit card payments right away, risk-free. And if you want to make things even better, I have an exclusive offer that extends your free trial, giving you more time to see how it works for your business. With Housecall Pro, accepting credit card payments becomes a breeze, and the simplicity of the system allows you to focus more on running your business and less on managing payments. From setting up your payment gateway to tracking your finances, it's all in one place. If you're ready to dive in and start accepting credit card payments with Housecall Pro, you can do so for completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Plus, remember to grab that exclusive extended trial to really get the most out of the software. Give Housecall Pro a try and you'll see how easy it can be to get paid faster and more securely.